welcome to It's Just Lines, our simple drawing series. Today, we're going to be drawing a mushroom. I've got my Sharpie, I've got my paper. Let's get started. We're going to start with the stem of our mushroom. So that is a curved line, right? So give me one curved line, boop, right down to the bottom of your paper. Perfect. All right, now we're going to do another curved line right next to that one. And let it get a little bit wider as it goes toward the bottom. So we're going to start close and then we'll get a little bit wider. So the bottom of our stem is a little bit wider than the top. Nice job. All right, now let's do a little bit of a curved, a small smile line there to close that off. And then we'll do an upside down curved mini frown to close off the top. Okay, next we're going to do an oval that goes around there. So start a little bit below the top of your stem, all right, and then go over and curve your line around so you make an oval shape, like that. And you all remember, if I'm ever going too quickly, remember you can always just pause the video. Nice. Now we're going to do this outside line here. Now this one has to be a little bit taller, so I want you to start up at the top, however big you want your mushroom to be. If you want it to come all the way up to there, I'm going to start mine right around there. All right, and I'm going to do this left side first, and I'm going to curve it around so it comes close to the oval that I just drew, and pause right there. Good. I'm going to jump back up to the top and curve that line around so it'll stop over here on this side. So I don't want the top to be a point though. I want it to be a curve. So I'm going to round it off like that, and then I'll come down around that side and whoop, stop right there. All right, you've got the outline of your mushroom. Details. Okay, so let's add these curved lines on the inside. These are just like little sun rays that are coming out from the middle of your mushroom. It's the underside of that mushroom. It has that line or those textures to it. All right, so do your little sun ray curve lines all the way around. Very nice. And then what else do we need? The circles. All right, so draw your circles. Some of them should run off the edge of the mushroom, so it looks like they're going to continue on the other side somewhere. You can make them different sizes, right? Some are small, some are big, some are the whole thing, some run off. So do as many circles as you'd like. Hey, how about that? We got us a mushroom. How's yours looking? You know, it may not look exactly like mine, and that is okay. The important thing is that you're having fun and learning to draw, right? Okay, let's add some color. I've got my colored pencils here. I've picked out a few colors that I think will work well for the mushroom. I'm going to use the red for the top of the mushroom. I'm going to use this kind of peachy color for my stem, and I'm going to use some of the browns on the underside. All right, now I'm going to start with the stem. I'm going to fast forward through this part, but you can always stop it at the end if you want to see and match my colors. Now, if you don't have colored pencils, you could use markers, you could use crayons, you could use pastels, you could use paint, whatever you got. All right, friends, I'm all done with my mushroom, but I feel like it looks a little lonely and like maybe he needs a little grass or something around it. So if you want to add some grass to yours, right, just come in. These are going to be some kind of pokey lines, right? Some little strands of grass that our mushroom is growing in. All right, what do you all think of that? I think that looks pretty cool. Awesome. Add some color if you want to, and remember to share your mushrooms with me on our Facebook page at Club Firefly Kids and get yours uploaded into our Club Firefly gallery. Until next time, keep on drawing. Remember, it's just lines.